How are you all this morning? It's day 21. Yay! I hope you're getting all your stuff done. I am feeling really good. I just have a few last minute presents because we're going to some very dear friend's house on Christmas Eve for oyster stew. And then we're having ham at home on Christmas Day. And so I had to pick up a few toys for the dogs because, you know, you saw the dogs at my dog party. Anyway, and then let's see, what else do I have going on? Oh, I'm going to show you some Christmas lights that I recorded last night, and not very many. We didn't go on a real sightseeing tour, but I wanted to show you a few in my neighborhood, which I think are really pretty. So I will try to make a whole vlog out of this. I'm gonna take off now. See you later. Hey, Notion. I just wanted to show you all. Notion goes with me on my little adventures. Notion! Oh, Notion dog! Okay, he's just waiting for us to go, looking out the window. You good boy! Okay. So I am just sitting here at a signal, waiting for it to change. And I just thought I had to ask all you guys, how many of you have seat warmers in your car and love them as much as I do? We live in a really cold place now. And when we lived in California, I didn't really care so much, but right now, I can't tell you how much I love the seat warmers, or as we more fondly call them, butt warmers. All right, everybody, we're out looking at lights. This is the street, the house that I use. This is the street that's just next to our street. It's one street over. And these people are the people I try to compete with at Halloween time. And they win. It's Christmas time, and they're doing such a beautiful job here. There's some pretty lights. This is a huge house. This is a gorgeous house. Anyway, look at the deer. I love that. Let's look over here. Each house all lit up. Oh, I love the icicles coming up. Look at this. This is one of my favorite little houses. It's so pretty. It's not that little. It's very pretty, really. This one's beautiful right here, all lit up. Oh, and look at the little Christmas trees right there. It's over there, all dolled up. Let's see. This is our street, and they're just ordinary lights, but they're so pretty. Look at this. You can see better out my window here. Yeah, and I love our next door neighbor's lights because they are red and white. Look at this. Isn't that so pretty? I love the way they did their lights. And Chris has lights up on his balcony, but we flaked out and never got our lights up. We just said, oh, and the neighbor's house across the street is beautiful too. Neighbors across the street. I'm just gonna, there's Kevin's house over there. I love Kevin's house. Let me see if I can, oh yeah, there we go. And then here's our house. There's Dan with our things that we just bought at Ross. So basically that's it.